Good morning, students. Now, class 7, you have to read about the soil as a resource and soil pollution. Now, soil as a resource. Soil is a resource for our food, our uh, shelter, and also for all the plants and all the animals. Because soil contains minerals and soil transfers these minerals to the plant and then that minerals is transferred to us. Now it is very important things because it is only the resource on which plant can be grown, and on that plant we all living organisms are dependent. Now it is a very critical component of the environment, and it serves as the foundation of most construction project also, that there is making a road, there is making a building, all dams all are made on the soil. Now earth sheltering, that the wall made up of soil is a thermal protector, because it does not make the wall hot, it does not absorb the heat, so it makes the room cool, and so it is called thermal protector. Now earth sheltering. What is earth sheltering? Earth sheltering means the making of roof and wall of house with soil, which protect the house from heat. Now soil resources are critical to the environment, because that it is the food producer and fiber producer also. Soil provides the minerals and water to the plants, and soil absorbs that water, and it reserves it, stores it. When we require water, then we take this groundwater and we use for our daily activity. Now soil prevents the flood and drought also. Soil cleans the water as it percolates, means when we draw the water, that is when water moves from downward direction to upward direction, then water is filtered by soil, and then that water we use for drinking purposes. Soil is the habitat of many organisms, so soil is a what? Resource. Understand? Now soil pollution. Soil pollution means mixing of toxic substances, toxic compounds into the soil. Toxic compound, that chemicals, fertilizers, excess fertilizers. If we use excess fertilizers for the plant, then plants absorb what they require, but excess fertilizers which are not absorbed by plant, that makes the soil harmful and it pollutes the soil. And radioactive elements, salts, fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides, it is all the soil pollutants that has adverse effect on plant growth and animal health. Soil pollution is caused by the dumping of fuel, while dumping and leaching of wastage from landfill, or direct discharge of industrial waste into the soil. Understand? Now soil pollution is the mixing of harmful substances to the soil. Understand? Now soil and crops. All crops do not like all types of soil. There are the special plant which requires the special type of soil. As you know that paddy plant requires clay soil, or pulses plant requires clay loam soil, and coconut plants requires what? Sandy soil. Now the soil, what is the what type of soil will be there, that is dependent on the climatic factor, that is temperature, wind, light, etc. Rainfall, what is humidity here. Now this factor affects the soil profile and also bring the changes in the soil structure. Now you know that cereals crop like wheat and legumes like gram grow well in clay and loamy soil. Such soil have good water retaining capacity. You know that clay soil. And paddy grow well in this soil. Now loamy soil that drains water easily is ideal for growing pulses. And cotton grows well in well aerated soil, that is in sandy soil. Now sandy loam or loams are preferred for growing cotton, and coconut trees are grown in sandy soil. Now all crops have not required the same type of soil. There is a special crops require a special type of soil. Understand? Okay.